Welcome back. I'm Pratap here. Today is 19th May 2024. In this video, let us find bullish and bearish trade setups for short-term income trade. They are nothing but daily income trade and hourly income trade setups. And also at the end of the report, we will generate the stop buffers based on daily ATR. Even before the generation, a small announcement please. If this is your first visit to our channel, please understand we are providing complete free training on supply demand zone price action. All the training videos are available at our NeoStock YouTube channel. So at our channel, click on this community tab and you can get access to this post. In this post, we have a YouTube playlist link that will take you to the training videos. You just click this link. I am clicking on this link. Now I am into the playlist supply demand zone price action course. In this playlist you have only the training videos are available. You please scroll down to the bottom of this page. Here starting from lesson 1.1, all the training lessons are available in an order. So please go through all these lessons one by one and strengthen your skills related to supply demand zone price action. I have also provided the link to our Telegram channel in this YouTube video description. So from there please join at our Telegram channel. It will be helpful to you each time when we release a new YouTube video or any other important updates, we will update at our channel. Now let's get into the report generation with the help of NeoStock software. The first report we are going to generate bullish trade setup for daily income trade. For daily income trade, entry time frame is 15 minutes. For bullish trade setup, entry zone should be demand zone. And also in the parameter bullish or bearish trade setup, in 15 minutes time frame, that is the entry time frame, I am selecting the value bullish. That means I am instructing the software generate bullish trade setup for 15 minutes time frame demand zone. Okay, now for 15 minutes it is a bullish trade setup. A report will be generated if I click on this top down strategy, but I want to set 3 additional filters. The first filter, I don't want pierced zones because we don't trade on the pierced zones. So that's why my pierced count should be 0 for my 15 minutes demand zone. So how to set? There is a parameter called pierced count. Look into the last parameter in this page, pierced count. So what is our entry time frame? 15 minutes. So entry zone is a demand zone. So for 15 minutes demand zone, we are setting the minimum value 0, maximum value 0, which indicates pierced count should be 0 for 15 minutes demand zone. That means zone is not pierced. And the second filter is zone achievement. The zone achievement should always be violated opposing zone, VOZ. This is the value I set. Because without zone achievement VOZ, violated opposing zone, if you want to trade, it is a high risky. And the next third filter we are setting is a minimum odd enhancer score. For minimum odd enhancer score for bullish or bearish trade setup should be 12. So we set the value 12. All these points land in our training lessons. So with these filters I am generating the report. Now 16 stocks are filtered. These 16 stocks are supporting daily income trade, bullish trade setup. I'll be giving you only few seconds time to watch the report and then move on to the next report. In case if you want to study all these stocks in detail, please pause the video. After that you can continue. If any of you are not aware of how to understand this report, all these columns, their values, abbreviations, if you are not aware, please complete our training lesson 21.1. Lesson 21.1. That is part 1 of lesson 21. In that video, I have explained each and every column in detail and their values, abbreviations. Also, I explained how I drawn a zone in TradingView by taking the timestamp of a particular stock's leg in, base candle count and leg out. Okay, now let's move on to the bearish trade setup for daily income trade. I'm going back. For 15 minutes time frame, daily income trade, but bearish trade setup, entry zone should be supply zone. And also in bullish or bearish trade setup parameter, in 15 minutes time frame, I need to select the value bearish. And the three filters what we set earlier, they still remain same. But this time the filters are applied to 15 minutes supply zone. Earlier it is applied to 15 minutes demand zone. Now the filters are applied to 15 minutes supply zone. So let me generate the report. So these three stocks are filtered. Currently only three stocks are supporting bearish trade setup. Bullish trade setup for daily income trade. If you have any doubt about this, I made a mistake. This is a bearish trade setup. How I identified it is bearish trade setup? We discussed about bearish trade setup, no doubt, but we got a confusion. But still how I confirmed? The search strategy you have to refer. See, the search strategy, your entry zone is supply zone. What about entry time frame? Here you have entry time frame as 15 minutes. So entry zone is supply zone. We have zone achievement V was at. Score is 12. And in bullish or bearish trade setup, in which time frame? 15 minutes time frame, I set the value bearish. And the pierced count is 0. Greater than or equal to 0, less than or equal to 0 means 0. So sorry for my confusion. So this is the bearish trade setup for daily income trade. Currently these three stocks are supporting bearish trade setup. Earlier we already generated bullish trade setup. Okay, now let us generate a bullish and bearish trade setup for hourly income trade. For hourly income trade, entry time frame is 5 minutes. First we are generating hourly income trade bullish trade setup. So entry zone should be demand zone. And also in bullish or bearish trade setup, this time we are selecting 5 minutes time frame. There we are selecting bullish. And also we need to set three filters. The first filter, pierced count should be 0. So in this parameter, pierced count, now 5 minutes time frame, I am setting minimum value 0, maximum value 0, which indicates the pierced count should be 0. That means zone is not pierced. And in zone achievement, for our 5 minutes demand zone, the achievement should be VOZ, violated opposing zone. And minimum order enhancer score should be 12. So with these filters, I am generating the report. So 15 stocks are filtered. See the timestamp 5 minutes. Entry zone, demand zone. And in bullish or bearish trade setup, in 5 minutes time frame, I selected the value bullish. Always look into search strategy. Any mistakes in case if I made, you can find here. So currently these 15 stocks are supporting bullish trade setup. Now let me go back and generate the bearish trade setup. So for hourly income trade, entry time frame is 5 minutes. For bearish trade setup, entry zone should be supply zone. And also in bullish or bearish trade setup, in 5 minutes time frame, I am selecting the value bearish. Now all the three filters are same, but this time they are applied to 5 minute supply zone. So these 4 stocks are supporting bearish trade setup for hourly income trade. So this is about bullish and bearish trade setup for daily income trade and hourly income trade. Now in the last report, let us generate stop buffers based on daily ATR. See, here we have daily ATR value, and 5% ATR you have to use it for DIT trades, 3% ATR you have to use it for HIT trades. DIT means daily income trade, 3% ATR hourly income trade. And the first 17 in this list are indices, sectorial indices. Remaining all are equity stocks, but they have taken from F&O category. So what I do, I keep on scrolling this list down, and any of the stock you want to refer, there you pause the video. So let me scroll down this list. So this is the end of the report. Hope this information will be useful to you for your further study and analysis. Let us all meet again in our next video. Thank you.